Here from Rex Short Computer Services in Inglewood. I want to show you what a scam looks like, an online scam that's trying to get your credit card. Have a look here. Customer brings in the laptop. She just closed the lid out of fright when it happened. I'll just take the mute off so you can hear what it said.
Over the phone. If you close this page before calling us, we will be forced to disable your computer to prevent further damage to our network and will send a copy of this report to the concerned authorities to raise a complaint against your IP address. Microsoft spyware alert. Poor graphics.
So you can see here's what happened, right? Let's have a bit of a look around. If I go over to these three dots here and I come down to history and I come down here to history, you can see it all started here at 7:58, Facebook, and then the lady clicked on something and it's gone to this website here ending in .xyz. So that's suspicious straight away at 7:59. At 8:43, she has rung these people because she's afraid and they've told her that her computer's doing bad things. She's rung them. They're starting to remote in here out of Thailand. 8:45, they're trying to get, they're now moving her keyboard and a mouse, and they're starting to take her to payment sites ready for her to process her visa for her. They've even gone to Google and searched how many US dollars to New Zealand dollars, working out how much they're going to charge her. So you know what, if you're ever on your computer and it starts looking like this, or like this, or your computer starts talking to you and you're starting to go and get your credit card, right then is a good time to stop. Number one, go and get your husband, or ring your son, or ring your computer technician and ask them, is this for real? What's happening? You know, because none of us need to be handing our credit card and be over a barrel to a company overseas. And yeah, just wanted to show you what it looks like. Going forward, I will clean up this computer. A local lady here in Inglewood will wipe this computer because I don't trust it anymore, but I'll save her things off it. And we'll get it all cleaned up and back into her house. So if you know anybody else that's got scammed, give me a ring here at Rex Short Computer Services and we can help them too.